Hi, champions. It is time for another amazing mathematics class. I am Miss Rebecca. Today, we want to consider addition of two-digit numbers. Addition of two-digit numbers. Addition can also mean plus, sum, or total. We shall first consider addition of two-digit numbers without regrouping. When adding numbers without regrouping, it means no single addition will give us two-digit numbers as an answer. For example, on the screen, I have under my tens and units 52 plus 22. We shall begin by first adding the numbers in the unit place, which are 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Moving to the tens place, we have digit 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Therefore, 52 plus 22 equals 74. Let's now proceed to addition of two-digit numbers with regrouping. Here, addition of two numbers at a time can give us two-digit number as an answer. Let's look at the example on the screen. Under my tens and units, I have 38 plus 74. We begin by adding 8 and 4. 8 plus 4 equals 12. When we write out number 12, the number at the unit place is 2. Therefore, we will write 2 in the unit place and move 1 to the numbers in the tens place. And under the tens, we will now have 1 plus 3 plus 7. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Practice time. Can we add the following? 25 plus 13. And number 2, 15 plus 15. Okay, to attempt that exercise, what we simply need to do is to arrange each number under tens and units. So, for the first one, we have 25 plus 13. 5 plus 3 equals 8, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. You can see that we don't have a two-digit number as an answer here. Therefore, the first one is addition of two-digit numbers without regrouping. And for the second one, 15 plus 15, 5 plus 5 equals 10. The digits at the unit place in number 10 is 0. Therefore, we move 1 to the tens place. Under the tens now, we now have three digits. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Therefore, the second exercise is addition with regrouping. I hope you found today's class interesting. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.